Saudi Arabia is young. It's evolving. So the energy here is super fresh, goal-oriented, and tech-savvy.
My generation is eager to make a difference, but many of us lack opportunity and direction. When I was younger, I was bursting with ideas to help our planet, but didn't have the confidence to bring them to life or the resources. In college, I set out to break this barrier for myself and others. While studying software engineering, I gained the digital tools and problem-solving skills to support this dream. I first learned about the global goals after joining a non-profit-led program focused on leadership development. We surveyed youth and discovered that many were devoting their time and resources to social causes, but they didn't know about this framework for sustainable development. I realized then I could help focus this energy towards the global goals. I could use technology to power this generation's big ideas. I started by creating the Sustainable University Initiative, a website that provides young people with the tools and information to launch their own sustainability projects. Students can learn about the biggest issues facing our planet and collaborate on solutions in their communities.
Universities compete against each other, earning points for turning ideas into actions with real impact.
Technology makes it all possible by connecting students from around the globe with a common mission: to make the world a better place. While working to pilot the website, I also launched a grassroots initiative to support other ambitious young people who dream of creating positive change. We provide workshops and funding to help youth build communities around causes they care about, such as skills training for tech careers, peer mentorship, and recycling programs.
This generation has a fresh eye for the challenges of today. If we simply harness this energy, we can open up possibilities for a better world. وظف التكنولوجيا في مجال شغفك لإحداث الأثر.